Hey friends, so I want to show you, I've been getting a ton of questions on how I made these. I have almost no spinning supplies or proper supplies for yarn, so I actually made all of these rolags with a dog brush, and I have already started spinning some yarn with a drill gun and a mixer, a hand mixer. I want to show you how I made these with the dog brush, and it's not going to be perfect yarn, and that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for an art yarn because these are made with all of my scraps, so you can see like a bunch of different textures, different fibers. I've got cotton, I've got wool, I've got acrylic, I've got metallics in here, some gold, so a bunch of different fibers, and I'm really excited to show you guys how to make these with a dog brush. Alright, so I've got my pet brush. I'm gonna grab some different scraps that I have. Got some wool right here. Gonna grab some metallic and some blue. Brush these out. Okay, so this is where things can get a little ghetto. I've been using a pen and a crochet hook to roll off my rolags. So I start with the pen underneath. I'm just gonna lift this off a little bit, and I'm going to pinch the two together and start rolling and tugging to stretch out these fibers. Alright, there you go. I'm going to take this out. And here you have it. Stay tuned to see how you can make this yarn with these household appliances.